coming to you live from a fresh marketplace find. I sold a set of wheels last night and then these popped up and I asked him if he had any other S2000 parts and he said, yeah, I got this. And I said, okay, I'll take the wheels if you throw the console in. And he took it. So my car guys know how good, but also how dangerous marketplace can be, especially since I just sold a set of wheels to clear space, but then I ended up with these. What I'm gonna do is, these are the AP2 V1 wheels for S2000. I always wanted to go back to AP1 wheels, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna clean these up for you and me and have a little montage for you. Thanks to our purple power, the wheels are looking way, way better. All right, so you may know the AP1 wheels are staggered. So in S2000, I like to put 36 front and 32 rear. And this one was at 4. So anytime you buy wheels from Marketplace, make sure to pump them up. I've got air in all the new AP1 wheels. I'm gonna loosen these lugs, jack up the car, and swap them and put the new lug nuts on. What do y'all think so far? Here's the AP1 and here's the AP2 V1. Bam, we did it. I love this look so much better. By the way, these AP2 V1 wheels will be for sale. If anybody wants them, leave a comment down below. Anyway, I'm gonna get started on the other side, but first I'll show you a little Honda trick. All right, what do you notice that's off about this wheel? That's right. The bottom of the H should line up with the valve stem. So I'm gonna fix that now. And I do that on all my Hondas. That's just something Honda does from factory. Little tidbit of information you may not know. Ah, much better. Just something about it. Tires pumped. Center cap aligned with valve stem. Brand new, shiny lug nuts. Wheels lightly polished. Tires slightly polished and wetted. Tell me your favorite S2000 wheels down below. Stay tuned for more content and thanks for tuning in. Sensation.